Who's missing?
She's right. Big Bird. Oh, he's probably looking for his imaginary friend. Oh.
Big Bird!
Big Bird!
Come here, guys. Listen, we have to split up and find him before the museum closes, okay? All right, let's go. Hey, Big Bird!
Wait, we'll go down here and see if we can find him, okay?
Big Bird!
It shouldn't be too hard to find him, should it, Oscar?
Nah, as easy as finding a needle in a trash heap. And I thought this was gonna be boring.
Stop him!
Man, am I out of shape.